Welcome to our exploration into the amazing world of quantitative data. This type of data, which can be measured or counted, forms the backbone of decision-making in daily life, businesses, healthcare, and more. From counting calories and assessing business performance to examining public health concerns, understanding quantitative data is a fundamental skill in our data-driven world. Now, let's delve deeper into the techniques of analyzing quantitative data. These techniques vary from the foundational descriptive statistics that provide basic summaries of our data to the more complex inferential statistics that allow us to make predictions about a larger population. We also have correlational analysis, which explores the relationship between variables, regression analysis for predicting relationships, and t-tests and ANOVA for comparing means. The trick is striking the right balance to avoid a skewed understanding of your data. When it comes to collecting quantitative data, we have several methods at our disposal. Surveys are a popular choice, offering large amounts of data quickly. Observations provide an authentic view of behaviors or phenomena in their natural settings. Secondary data analysis is a cost-effective method, utilizing existing data sources. And lastly, we have experiments, a robust way of establishing cause and effect relationships. Each method has its strengths and weaknesses, and the best choice depends on your research question and resources. To understand quantitative data better, we can look at real-world examples. Imagine a public health researcher studying the correlation between sugar consumption and obesity rates, or an educational researcher analyzing test scores to determine the effectiveness of a new teaching method. These are examples of how quantitative data is used in research to derive meaningful insights and make evidence-based decisions. In the digital age, numerous software tools can help us analyze quantitative data. Excel, a staple in nearly every workplace, to more specialized software like SPSS, R, Python, and Stata, all offer unique features to aid in your data analysis journey. Finally, it's important to understand how quantitative data contrasts with qualitative data. While quantitative data gives us measurable and countable data, qualitative data offers non-numerical insights into behaviors, perceptions, and experiences. Neither is inherently better, and the choice between the two depends on the nature of your study and the research question at hand. In conclusion, mastering quantitative data may seem like a daunting task, but the valuable insights it offers make it a worthwhile endeavor. As we navigate our data-driven world, understanding and handling quantitative data is more essential than ever. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's any other data-related topic you'd like us to cover. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.